Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor tabs. First, open your Elementor editor and find the Tabs widget in the left panel. Simply drag and drop it onto your page where you want your content to appear. You can quickly add new tab items by clicking the Add Item button or duplicate existing ones for efficiency. This initial setup takes just a few moments, allowing you to begin structuring your content effectively with interactive sections. Once your tabs are in place, customizing their content is straightforward. Select each tab item to edit its title and the information displayed within it. The built-in rich text editor allows for various content types, from simple text to images and videos. For advanced layouts, you can even embed shortcodes or other Elementor widgets directly into your tab content, offering immense flexibility for dynamic sections. Now, let's make your tabs visually appealing. Navigate to the Style tab to customize every aspect of your tab's appearance. You can easily change colors, fonts, and spacing for both the tab titles and their content areas. Differentiate between active and inactive tabs with distinct styling. Elementor also provides options to switch between horizontal and vertical layouts, giving you control over the overall presentation and user experience. Finally, explore some advanced features to refine your tab functionality. Under the Advanced tab, you can control aspects like the default active tab when the page loads. Experiment with different transition effects for a smoother user experience. Always remember to check the responsiveness settings to ensure your tabs look and function perfectly on every device, from large desktops to small mobile screens, providing a consistent and engaging interface.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.